In this video, I'll show you how to connect your AirPods to your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now, the first thing you need to do is go into settings and tap on Bluetooth. Ensure Bluetooth is on. Then you want to place your AirPods in Bluetooth pairing mode. For these particular ones, all I have to do is open the case and then press this button, long press on it until this LED light starts flashing white. So let's do that. So I'll open the case. Then I'll press and hold this button like that until that light starts flashing white like that. And now I'll scan for Bluetooth devices using my phone. And once I find my AirPods, I'll tap on them. Then I'll select pair. And they're now going to be connected, so I can now take out my AirPods and use them to listen to music and other media. That's basically how to connect AirPods to your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.